I've been with Mwalimu Sacco for 38 years.
I have been a member of this institution for over 22 years currently.
I started working for Mwalimu National just when I was fresh from the university in 1994 as a very junior accountant.
I've been with Mwalimu for the last 30 plus years.
I've been in Mwalimu for 14 years, and that journey has really propelled me towards where I am right now.
The teachers have been the heritage of this institution. When they came together over 50 years ago, they did mobilize resources and included fellow colleague teachers to take this organization where it is currently. We pride ourselves. From the vision of these teachers, the institution has really grown.
(2025) has been very interesting. This is a year that we are seeing, by July, we are seeing a growth of almost 7% in all the parameters. So we expect by end of the year, we should be having a double-digit growth, and that will compare very well with the average financial cooperatives performance based on the regulators' data. And of course, it's one of those promising years because even in terms of the membership, we have seen the membership grow threefold from the previous years. So currently we are speaking of around 167,000 members. We are expecting to drive that to around 180,000 by end of the year. Our asset base currently stands at around 72 billion. We expect to drive that to around 75 billion by the end of December this year. And that would have given us around 11.6% growth from the previous year. So 2025 is our year, and even our staff are very well aligned in terms of the expectation.
The customers are the ones who have brought us here. So essentially they know that these are the main stakeholders. So when a customer is happy, that is the main gain, and that is ideally what brings us here. We ensure that the customer comes out of here happy, ensure the customer comes out of here sorted, their financial needs squared up, and improvement of their well-being.
Our philosophy and mantra is that any client or customer that comes to the branch or to us should not leave without a solution. Because again, if they come and we don't give them the solutions, they have options. They'll walk to the next door. And that's what we are saying. We are not ready to allow our members to keep on being tossed around in terms of looking for what we can offer. Mwalimu Sacco is actually the largest financial cooperative in Africa, and the 7th actually globally. And that defines the depth in terms of our muscle, I mean, to be able to serve financial services needs as Mwalimu National. We have presence actually locally, 47 countries, in all 47. Actually, we are the Sacco that probably has presence in 47 countries, all the way from Lamu, Tana River, to Busia, all the way from the sides of like Turkana to the border of Tanzania and Migori and all that. Our members are well spread, so that gives you a snippet of who we are.
As a financial institution, we do not only sell money, but we sell trust. So the safety of members' funds is quite critical to us as Mwalimu National DT Sacco. Mwalimu National is a regulated entity under the purview of SASRA, where we are supposed to ensure that we meet some prudential ratios like capital adequacy ratios, which we have consistently over the years since inception of regulation in the year 2008. We have met all the capital adequacy ratios. As an institution, we are called upon to have our financials audited on an annual basis by independent audit firms which have audited the institution financial position for the time that we have been in existence.
We are trying to educate our members to embrace digital platform. That is, currently we have Mhela and Mwalimu Portal. Mwalimu Portal is where now member can view all his account or her account within Mwalimu Sacco, 360 degree. In Mwalimu Portal, member can change next of kin. He can make a transfer from Mwalimu to another bank. So it is like it's like a working bank, yeah, on a digital platform. And we're also trying to push them on Mhela and encouraging them to patronize Mhela. And this can be proved by during end month, you'll find there's no crowd in the banking hall. Unlike before, we brought in Mhela. During month end, you could find queue up to outside the banking hall. But of late, it's an end month, and you'll not imagine that it's an end month. You'll just find a pocket of members here and there in the banking hall. The most popular financial product that Mwalimu Sacco is providing for the members and within the region, that is Jawabu. Jawabu is a product where we don't require members to bring guarantors. So long as you are in a government payroll, you qualify for that Jawabu. And this has also made us now to make a mark more so on the JS teachers, because these are young teachers who came in and joined Mwalimu. They still don't have savings. They also don't know members that can guarantee them. So it was a bit of challenge when they were asking us, now you want us to join Mwalimu Sacco, yet we cannot get loan because we don't know some of the members with good savings that can guarantee us. So when they brought this, we presented it to the board, and the board agreed, and now we are giving Jawabu, and it is very popular. Like in this region, Jawabu alone we have given to a tune of 1.8 B. That is Kisumu branch is leading with 1.1 B. Then Kakamega within this region about 4.8. Then Webuye as the 356 million.
My name is Juma Evans Wanjala from Kakamega County, Matete Sub-County. I'm a JSS teacher teaching at Lumani Township School. I got to hear about Mwalimu National Sacco in the year 2018. That was the time I graduated. Then after that, we came into the street hustling here and there. Then I was later confirmed into PNP this year 2023. And then that is the time I really joined the Mwalimu National Sacco. And it has given me a way forward on my progress in life. Above all, in the next 5 years, I'm sure that I'm going to have a plot that I'm going to put up several houses that I'm going to own under Mwalimu National Sacco. Why that it was not about Mwalimu National Sacco, I could have been messed up with other financial institution, but I opted for Mwalimu National Sacco because it is a giant Sacco that has lasted for 50 years since the time it was established, and that one gave me an encouragement to join the Sacco.
My name is Caroline Atieno. I'm an intern teacher and I'm a member of Mwalimu Sacco. I've been there for 3 years. Recently there have been changes that have been made for us Gen Z that are really great. Like for example, you know, for us interns we are just new, so kutafuta guarantors kwa staff room inakuwa ngumu. So this product Jawabu, it's really making it easy for us because at some of us hata hatuna shares, but it allows us in a boost nini shares yako na pia haina guarantors. So for me it has really benefited me. Mwalimu Sacco has made our lives easier. They have digitized most of their products, even the services. Like you can even apply for a loan on the mobile banking platform. There's this platform called Members Portal. That's where I access my statements. So I don't have to come for the statement physically.
We don't call our members retirees. The retirees are called senior citizens. We have a Fanaka product for them, which allows them, before as the salary is discontinued, because basically what happens is that if a member retires, the salary also goes. So many of our members feel empty. What do? They run for their savings, and we said, why would I allow them to run for their savings? They don't have options. So what we do is that we have developed partnerships with some government agencies, process their pension faster within 6 months, but the lump sum also is invested and tied into a fixed deposit account for 1 year to 2 years. But based on that, they are also able to earn interest on a monthly basis to secure their future in terms of what they are used to.
My name is Florence Kayo, a retired principal. I was a principal for many years, but I've retired, so I'm just doing social support in the village. I've been with Mwalimu Sacco for 38 years. I've been able to educate my children through Mwalimu. I've been able to build a house through Mwalimu, and even buy property through Mwalimu. Apart from that, of course, they have different accounts, like for traveling. We have an account for traveling also. So I also benefit from that. We also get dividends, which even makes us feel even better. And since I'm a super saver, I get very good dividend.
The opening of the common bond is where we incorporate other members of the society. They bring in their capital so that we can be able to provide diverse and affordable credit to other members of the society.
It's quite interesting. Even our members, we have gone beyond looking at them based on the payslip. We are looking at them based on what else are they doing. So we want to see how we manage them as a wallet, where business proceeds can come pass through Mwalimu. We can use those business proceeds to evaluate their credit worthiness and see what is it that we can do to them. And it's quite interesting, and most of our members now are even willing to have their business proceeds passing, and that's what has given us enough liquidity to be able to, online, based on some of the new products that we're coming up with.
My name is Judia Kemeli, a director, accountant here at Prime Slices, Kisumu. We've been a member of Mwalimu Sacco. This is our 4th month. Pay bill number, we saw it as an easy way of getting money from our clients, as it's easy, as it goes direct to the Mwalimu Sacco account. So it's easy to monitor. And also, it also gives us an upper hand at increasing our loan and getting more capital. Mwalimu Sacco is not for teachers only. As you can see, I'm a business lady, I bank, and I'm a member of Mwalimu Sacco.
It being within the Great Lake region, it spans a very big market. And the opportunities that are here, we've also come to realize that our members are very, 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 very quiet entrepreneurs. Until that time that when you sit down with them and you dig it deeper, you come to realize that some of them are even having their cages. They are actually doing the fish farming quite well. You can sit down and interact with a client and find that a client is so much comfortable. Even doesn't come to check on his account, or their account or her account. At the point that you come and listen to what a client is telling you in the name of, I want to have an opportunity to access 5 million. 5 million from maybe a very small salary that can only give a client 1 or 2 million. That's the point that you realize that there is a bigger opportunity within the Kisumu branch. So where do I see Kisumu branch? I want to believe that in the next 5 years we should be crossing the border. We should be looking at East Africa. And for your information, we also have clients that are just across the Busia border. And it is the reason also why that it is also, I think maybe it was a long vision that the society had. We are having a satellite branch that is coming at the Busia. We are crossing over. So Uganda, they should take notice.
I would advise anybody who is not in Mwalimu, in any cooperative, to join Mwalimu because they have a lot of things they can benefit from. And Mwalimu is reliable, is solid, very, very solid, and then it's available all over the country.
Gen Zs come and join Mwalimu Sacco. You know, most of us don't like saving, but that saving culture inakuwa encouraged, and on top of that you get a lot of benefits. Hata kuna hizo ma-interest watu wanapata out of hizo ma-fixed deposit, hizo ma-dividends, so it's really good. You should come and join.
My message to Kenyans is that Mwalimu National DT Sacco is open to all members of the public. Whether you are in the informal sector or formal sector, come and join us. You can be able to save your money, you can get affordable credit, you can invest your money so that you can be able to grow your wealth.
We are Kisumu team, shaping tomorrow together.